The collagen supplement industry is worth over $12 billion, and they're banking on you not knowing something critical. I'm Dr. Nora Mitchell, and in my 23 years of nutritional medicine, I've watched countless seniors waste thousands on powdered supplements while ignoring the food-based solutions in their kitchens. What I'm sharing today represents a complete paradigm shift in how we approach collagen loss. These 6 whole foods don't just match supplement effectiveness, they exceed it by margins that surprised even me. We're talking about absorption rates nearly triple what you get from processed powders. You'll spend a fraction of what those tubs cost while avoiding the heavy metal contamination that regulators keep finding in commercial products. Today, you're getting the exact protocol I give my private clients. 6 specific foods that transform your body into a collagen-producing powerhouse. I'll show you precise portions, optimal timing, and why these work so powerfully for those over 60. Here's the reality about collagen decline that nobody explains properly. Around age 40, you begin losing approximately 1% of your total collagen annually. Reach 60, and you're down 20% from your peak levels. By 70, nearly 30% has vanished. This goes far beyond cosmetic concerns. We're addressing the deep aching in your joints when you rise from bed each morning, that grinding sensation in your knees navigating stairs, the shoulder discomfort after simple gardening tasks, your ligaments becoming increasingly rigid, your skeletal structure becoming progressively more vulnerable. Even your intestinal lining deteriorates, triggering digestive problems that seemingly appear from nowhere. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Interventions in Aging tracked more than 3,000 adults over 60 across 5 years. Participants with the lowest collagen markers faced 4 times greater risk of developing osteoarthritis. They experienced bone fractures at 3 times the rate of others. They demonstrated measurably faster cognitive deterioration. The researchers documented something else equally significant. Those consuming collagen-rich whole foods demonstrated dramatically superior outcomes compared to supplement users. Perhaps you've observed your skin has lost its natural bounce-back quality. Maybe those vertical lip lines have appeared, stubbornly resisting every moisturizer. Your nails might snap with barely any pressure. Your hair could be thinning noticeably, but the internal changes are what truly matter. Your arterial walls are losing elasticity, creating additional cardiac strain. Your spinal discs are compressing, causing gradual height reduction and persistent back pain. Your tendons and ligaments are becoming less durable, making injuries increasingly likely. This represents the genuine collagen emergency, and it's affecting millions of seniors right now. Before we continue, if you're finding this information helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit the notification bell. It truly helps us reach more people who need this vital information. Your support makes a real difference. Now let's dive into the solutions. The supplement industry has constructed a masterful marketing apparatus around this crisis. They've persuaded you that salvation arrives in expensive containers of powder. But here's their carefully hidden secret. Most collagen supplements demonstrate poor bioavailability in human digestion. They frequently contain concerning levels of heavy metals. They're fundamentally missing the crucial cofactors that natural collagen sources inherently provide. Now let me reveal the actual solution. Let's begin with the most potent option, homemade bone broth. I'm not referencing that diluted commercial product in grocery store cartons. I mean authentic bone broth prepared correctly. The variety that solidifies into gel upon refrigeration. That gel represents pure, bioavailable collagen. When you simmer bones for 18 to 24 hours, something biochemically fascinating occurs. The collagen trapped within those skeletal structures hydrolyzes into gelatin. That gelatin contains concentrated amino acids including glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. These constitute the precise building blocks your body requires to synthesize its own collagen matrix. A groundbreaking investigation at the University of Wisconsin examined 72 adults over 68. One group consumed 10 ounces of properly prepared bone broth daily for 14 weeks. The comparison group took a leading commercial collagen supplement. The bone broth group demonstrated 47% improvement in joint discomfort compared to merely 23% in the supplement group. Their skin elasticity improved by 32%, and their gut health biomarkers improved significantly, something the supplement group experienced not at all. You need 8 to 12 ounces daily without fail. Optimal timing is first thing morning on an empty stomach or evening before sleep. You can consume it plain, seasoned with sea salt and herbs, use it as soup base, or cook your grains in it. The critical factor is daily consistency. Here's the preparation detail most people miss. You must use bones with joints still attached. Chicken feet are extraordinarily effective. Beef knuckle bones work excellently. You must add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to your cooking water. That acidity extracts the minerals and collagen from the skeletal material. Simmer it low and slow, minimum 18 to 24 hours. You'll know it's properly prepared when it forms firm gel upon refrigeration. Next is fish skin. That crispy skin on salmon most people discard represents one of Earth's richest sources of type 1 collagen. Type 1 collagen is precisely what your skin, bones, and tendons need most desperately. Marine collagen demonstrates up to 1.5 times greater bioavailability than bovine collagen. Your digestive system absorbs and utilizes it far more efficiently. It contains smaller peptide chains, allowing them to traverse your intestinal barrier faster and more completely. Japanese researchers studied over 1,500 adults aged 62 to 87 who consumed fish skin regularly. Compared to similar populations who avoided fish skin, these individuals displayed 38% less age-related dermal damage. They maintained significantly stronger bone density. They showed notably superior cardiovascular function. The omega-3 fatty acids combined synergistically with the collagen, creating protective effects for cardiac health. The simplest method is not removing it when cooking fish at all. Purchase salmon, cod, or sea bass with skin intact. Pat it thoroughly dry, season with salt, and cook skin side down in a hot pan until completely crispy. You can also locate dried fish skin snacks in Asian grocery markets. Target fish skin 3 to 4 times weekly. A proper serving equals 1 complete side from a 6-ounce fish fillet. Within 3 weeks, you'll observe your skin appearing more hydrated. Within 8 weeks, your joints will feel measurably different. Third is chicken skin. For decades, we've received advice to remove chicken skin due to fat concerns. But that guidance was fundamentally wrong. Chicken skin is densely concentrated with type 2 collagen, the specific variety your cartilage requires. A study at Johns Hopkins Medical Center provided 85 adults over 67 with chicken cartilage supplements containing the same type 2 collagen found in chicken skin. After just 60 days, 74% reported significant reduction in joint pain and stiffness. Their range of motion improved measurably. Beyond collagen, chicken skin is rich in conjugated linoleic acid, which supports healthy metabolic function. It contains oleic acid, the identical healthy fat found in olive oil. It's loaded with vitamins A and K, which work synergistically with collagen for optimal bone health. Roast your chicken with skin intact. Make it thoroughly crispy in the oven at 400 degrees. You can purchase chicken wings and bake them until crispy. Target chicken skin 3 to 4 times per week. A few pieces of crispy skin from a chicken thigh or several wings. Fourth are EGG whites. Pure egg whites represent one of nature's most concentrated sources of proline and glycine. These amino acids are absolutely essential for collagen production. Researchers at Stanford University studied amino acid profiles and their effect on collagen synthesis in adults over 62. Egg whites ranked highest for triggering endogenous collagen production. Participants who consumed egg whites daily showed a 33% increase in collagen synthesis markers after just 8 weeks. But here's the critical component. You need to combine egg whites with vitamin C for maximum effect. Without adequate vitamin C, your body physically cannot convert proline into hydroxyproline, the key structural component of collagen. Consume 3 to 4 egg whites daily. Optimal timing is morning hours because collagen synthesis occurs throughout the day. Make an egg white omelet with bell peppers and tomatoes, both high in vitamin C. Or prepare egg white muffins with spinach and citrus zest. Always pair them with vitamin C-rich foods. This brings us to citrus fruits. Citrus fruits contain vitamin C plus bioflavonoids. These compounds protect existing collagen from breaking down while simultaneously boosting new collagen production. A study in the British Journal of Nutrition followed 200 adults over 63 who consumed citrus fruits daily. After 6 months, the citrus group showed 41% less collagen degradation. Their skin demonstrated more elasticity. Their gums were healthier. They had fewer inflammatory markers. You need approximately 75 to 90 milligrams of vitamin C daily for basic collagen synthesis. But for optimal production, you want closer to 200 to 500 milligrams from whole food sources. One medium orange provides about 70 milligrams. Half a grapefruit delivers about 40 milligrams. Here's the secret. Eat the white pith. That bitter white layer between peel and fruit is where bioflavonoids are highly concentrated. Leave some attached when you eat orange segments or grapefruit. Zest your lemons and limes into your food. Aim for 2 to 3 servings of citrus daily, one in the morning, one with lunch, one in the evening. Within 4 weeks, you'll notice your skin looking brighter. Within 8 weeks, you'll feel it in your joints. Finally, berries. Specifically, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Berries contain ellagic acid, anthocyanins, and vitamin C, a triple threat for collagen health. Scientists at Emory University discovered the anthocyanins in berries actually block the enzymes that break down collagen. They create a protective barrier around your existing collagen, while other nutrients help you build more. In their study of adults aged 62 to 78, those who consumed 1 to 2 cups of mixed berries daily showed 52% reduction in collagen breakdown markers. Their skin photoaging scores improved significantly. Their joint inflammation markers dropped by 31%. Consume 1 to 2 cups of fresh or frozen berries daily. Mix them up deliberately. Each berry has a slightly different antioxidant profile. Blueberries are highest in anthocyanins. Strawberries are highest in vitamin C. Raspberries and blackberries have the most ellagic acid. The best time is with breakfast or as a mid-morning snack. The vitamin C and antioxidants protect your collagen throughout the day when sun exposure and environmental stress are highest. Now here's what ties this together. You cannot just eat one of these foods and expect miraculous results. Collagen health is about creating a synergistic system. You need the building blocks from bone broth, fish skin, chicken skin, and egg whites. But you also need the cofactors and protectors from citrus and berries. The collagen-rich foods are like delivering construction materials to build a house. But without vitamin C, those materials sit there unused. Without antioxidants from berries, you're building with one hand while inflammation tears down with the other. Here's your simple daily protocol. Morning, egg white omelet with bell peppers and strawberries. Mid-morning, a cup of bone broth with lemon. Lunch, salmon with crispy skin and a mixed berry salad. Afternoon, an orange or grapefruit. Dinner, roasted chicken with crispy skin and citrus-based sauce. This gives you all 6 foods in one day. But here's the warning. Avoid high-sugar foods completely. Sugar causes glycation, where sugar molecules attach to collagen fibers and make them stiff and brittle. Just one high-sugar meal can impair collagen synthesis for hours. Minimize refined sugar and high-fructose corn syrup. Avoid excessive alcohol. More than 1 drink per day for women or 2 for men degrades collagen and impairs vitamin C absorption. If you're a smoker, you need to quit. Smoking destroys collagen faster than aging itself. Each cigarette generates free radicals that attack your collagen fibers directly. Let me tell you what you can expect if you commit to this protocol. In the first 2 weeks, your energy improves. Your digestion improves because of the gelatin healing your gut lining. Week 3 to 4, Your skin starts looking more hydrated and plump. Fine lines around your eyes start softening. Week 5 to 8, you'll feel it in your joints. Morning stiffness lessens, stairs get easier. Week 9 to 12, other people start noticing. Your nails get stronger, your hair gets thicker. This is giving your body what it's been desperately needing, the raw materials and cofactors to maintain and rebuild your collagen matrix. So here's what I want you to do right now. Pick 2 of these foods that sound most appealing. Maybe it's bone broth and berries, or fish skin and citrus. Start with just those 2 this week. Get comfortable with them. Add them into your routine until they become automatic. Then next week, add another one. By week 3, you're incorporating all 6 foods naturally, and that's when the transformation really accelerates. If you found this valuable and want more content about foods that actually work for seniors, subscribe to this channel right now. Hit that notification bell because I'm releasing videos every week that expose the myths and show you what really works. Comment below and tell me which of these 6 foods you're going to try first. Are you brave enough for fish skin or starting with citrus and berries? And if you've already been eating some of these foods, tell me what results you've noticed. Your experience could help someone else watching this. In my next video, I'm revealing the 5 worst foods that are destroying your collagen right now. Foods probably in your kitchen at this very moment. Foods silently aging you faster than anything else. Remember this: aging is inevitable, but declining collagen doesn't have to be. You have more control over this than you've been led to believe. These 6 foods are your secret weapons. Use them wisely, use them consistently, and watch what happens. Your body knows exactly what to do with real food. Trust it. Feed it right, and it will reward you with strength, flexibility, and vitality for years to come. Now go make yourself some bone broth. Your joints will thank you,